Running, ducking law, smoker got no win. Pull up on him, pull a trigger, shoot, is he dead? Ain't no one for that, one for they, and is you scared?
What's going on YouTube? It's Rico, man. I'm back on another video. Like I told you guys, I'm finna go ahead and do the Living with Jigsaw reaction video as well. I really thought this was worth reacting to for y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and react to it for y'all. But before we get to it though, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're brand new. Original video link will always be in the description box down below as always, and also my social media pages as well. Go add, follow, all that good stuff. Help my Instagram get me to 200 right now. I'm at, I think, like 140 something. And also subscribe if you're brand new and help me get to 200 subscribers. I'm at 171 right now. Y'all gotta help me. I need 29 more subscribers. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, let's get straight to it.
Following the unbelievable kickoff return. Richard works out he wants cover going very well. Good for Wolverine. Missed earlier, but he...
So, what's it up Living with Jigsaw?
Well, not as close as I thought it would be.
I want to play a game.
Okay, well, I want to take a shower, so...
The toilet has been clogged with two-ply paper towels and dirty socks. If you do not fix it in the next 27 seconds, it will overflow, covering your personal electronic devices in filthy toilet water. To reach them, you must walk barefoot across a floor covered in razor blades. The clock is ticking, Gary. Make your choice. The wine in both your glasses has been replaced with the blood of a three-toed sloth.
What do you want? Like, what?
You are completely surrounded by armed mousetraps. The keys to your car have been force-fed to Bingo. You must retrieve them in the next 5 minutes using any weapon of your choosing from this open drawer, or you will not make it to the office on time. The choice is yours, Gary. Will you take the life of your best friend, or be late to work for the 4th time this week?
That's crazy. But this is the second video I told you all about, and I thought it was real funny and worth reacting to as well. Like I said, original video link down in the description below if you want to go check this video out for yourself and you get another good laugh at it and stuff, and rewatch it for yourself and stuff. But that was a real short video. I'm trying to think. I might do another video for you guys and stuff, but I don't know yet. But if not, then these two videos will be the only videos I upload for today. But stay tuned. I probably will upload a third video just because I ain't uploaded in the past few days and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe for more bangers as always, and follow my social medias, and I'll add a follow you guys back. And see you guys later on in more videos. Peace.
Some of my old friends hate me, but I just bought me a Mercedes. I love the grind I kept daily. Fuck you, pay me, I got for my baby. New Glock, no safety. Whatever you do, I hope you don't play me. I've been through it, that's what made me. I pray that God that you don't try to